Get ready to fall in love with these crispy, crunchy, air fryer smashed potatoes. You can season them with salt and vinegar like I am, or flavor them to taste. Let's do it. First things first, we gotta boil those potatoes. Add them to a pot with salt, white vinegar, and water. If you don't want to do salt and vinegar, then omit the vinegar and just use extra water instead. Once they're fork tender, drain them and then transfer them to a mixing bowl. Then drizzle on oil, salt, and more vinegar. If you don't want to use so much oil, that's totally okay. You can use spray oil later instead, just do the salt and vinegar. Transfer those potatoes to a baking sheet and use a heavy glass to smash them flat. If you're using spray oil, this is your moment. Drizzle on whatever liquid is left in the bowl, then transfer them to your air fryer basket and air fry until they're brown and crispy. Don't forget to stop and flip the potatoes halfway through cooking so they brown evenly. Put them back in the air fryer and then keep on cooking until they're brown and crispy crunchy to preference. Serve them up sprinkled with a little bit more sea salt, and I like to sprinkle on some fresh herbs too, just for color. These make a great side dish, but sometimes I just like to make them for a snack. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these air fryer smashed potatoes. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!